Okay, Assalamu alaikum. This is revision for quiz 2. Okay. Okay. First question. What is NIC? What is NIC? What is NIC? Yeah. Okay. What is NIC? Network interface card. It's used for what? Very good. For networking, it is used to connect the computer to the network. Okay, either wireless or wired cable. Okay. So it provides the computer or the station with network capabilities. Okay. All right. But which address is used on the which address is used? Which type of address is used by the switch? Which one? Very good. MAC address, or what else we call it? Another name. Physical. Physical address, the same. Okay. Or some people call it layer 2 address. Okay. I have another question. Which address is used by the router? Which address is used by the router? Very good. IP address, or what else we call it? The same. It has different names. Logical. What else can we call it? Network address. Network address and layer 3 address. Very good. MashaAllah. Okay. Does the router allow broadcast domain to go through the router? Router block broadcast. Switch allows. Switch allows. Don't forget that, please, everyone. Router will allow broadcast. Switch does not allow. Sorry. Router will block broadcast. Switch not allow. But if I have this kind of circuit, let's say I have a router, okay, and I have this connection here, this connection here, here I have switch, here I have switch, okay, and here I have also computer, okay. How many broadcast domains here? 3. Each router arm or interface is a broadcast domain. How many different LANs? 3. Each one of them, okay, is a connection. All right, very good. Okay, very good. You're a good group. Let me see what else we'll give you. Of course, you need to know all the definitions. What is NIC? What is protocol? Okay. What are the differences between MAN, WAN, LAN? Okay. You have to know that. Remember, there is a table difference between LAN and WAN. Okay. Also, difference between STB, UTB, fiber optic. Which one is more expensive, STB or UTB? STB. Which one provides the fastest speed, STB or UTB or fiber?
Fiber.
Which one is faster, fiber or Wi-Fi? Fiber. Okay. Which cable has the highest noise immunity? Fiber or STB or UTB? Fiber. Fiber. See how I tricked you? Which one has, the first one is fiber. بعدين STB, بعدين UTB. But if I give you only in the question, which one is more immune, STB or UTB? STB. But if I ask you which one, fiber or STB or UTB? Fiber. Fiber is light. Noise will not affect it. Okay? You need also to know the layer protocols. Remember, there is in the chapter, we explained to you what is SMTP. Okay. What is SMTP used for what? Mail. Remember? Simple mailing protocol. Huh? You're gonna read this chapter, right? Okay. In the transport layer, we had two important protocols. What are they for transport layer? Remember? What are the two transport protocol in TCP and, come on guys, UDP? Oh my God. Which one is more reliable? TCP is reliable. It is connection oriented. UDP is faster, but it is connectionless and it is not reliable. Give me example for TCP application that uses TCP. Email. Give me application that uses UDP. VoIP, IP telephony. They use UDP. Okay. You will read this, right? Please go over the PowerPoints. Okay. Also, remember when I told you for a valid IP address, okay? Let me ask you this question. Is this a valid IP address or a valid IP version 4 address? Okay. Who can tell me? What's the answer, please? Is it valid or not?
I think it's valid.
What about you, gentlemen? يلا شباب. Is it valid or not?
Yes.
MashaAllah, what's your name?
Inshallah.
Answer is wrong. Why? Why is that? Exactly. Now, very good. Now you will never forget. The maximum can be 255. Why? Because we have how many bits actually? 8 bits. 8 bits maximum you can get is. يعني when I tell you in decimal, if you have 2 digits, what is the maximum number? لو عندك بس خانتين بالعربي كم أكبر رقم؟ 96. The same thing with here. It's actually 8 bits. The maximum you can get 250. But once you see 256, it's wrong. Okay? You need to know the difference between peer-to-peer network and client-server network. What's the advantages? Which one is valid for small networks, peer-to-peer or client-server? Peer-to-peer. Can you give me a good example of one? Abdullah, one. Internet, very good. Internet. The best example for one is the internet. It's the biggest one, the mother of all ones. Okay. Okay. Remember, I told you also. What do we call the PDU in the network layer? PDU in the network layer, what do we call it? When the message is passing from the layers. In the application layer, what is it called? It's called data. Okay. Okay. Please don't forget this. This is important. And let me write it down, all of them. So in the application layer, it is called the PDU is called data. In the transport layer, look at your PowerPoints, no problem. Transport layer, it's called segment. In the internet layer or network layer, what is it called? Packet. Data link layer or access layer, data or network access layer, network access layer, what is it called? Frame. Okay. But in the physical layer, what do we call it in the cable? Bits. Finally, it is bits. Okay. Please don't forget that. Which type of address is used in the transport in the internet layer? IP or physical logical address. Here, Mac. Correct? Good. I'm recording it, so please watch this for your studies, all right? This is first time we are doing this on paper-based. Thank you very much.